So, the 1st of May 2023. 2nd of May 2023, and the solar disk is visible in outline through the clouds and mist in the distance. Now 20:09 on the 2nd of May 2023. A cloud sunset as the sun disappears behind that cloud in the distance above Gosport. And there, it's gone. Still 12 minutes until the official sunset time. Timestamp now 15:33. Videoing from in front of the Square Tower, Portsmouth Square Tower, and the sun is nice and high. Beautiful day, especially for those on the beach. So the 7th of May 2023. Now 15:43 and a beautiful 7th of May day 2023. Whatever beach you're on, this is Southsea West Beach, a favourite with the locals. 15:43 on Southsea Beach on the 9th of May. Beautiful May Day, and there's nobody screaming Mayday on this beach. It's beautiful, nice and warm. So now the 13th of May, and things are looking up. Well, it looks like summer has arrived down on Southsea Beach West. Timestamp now 17:09, so nice couple of hours left before we wind up, and quite a long time until the sunset this evening. Timestamp now 20:36 on the 13th of May 2023, and as we can see, it's a cloud and rooftop sunset. Last moments of the solar disk still visible as it dips behind that house in the distance. So a wonderful day, nice and warm down on the beach. Still 7 or 8 minutes until the official sunset time. But at least we can see where the sun has gone down, which is quite a movement when you consider that in December it was setting over there in that direction, yes, just west of that tower in the distance, and that's setting over here. And sometime later it'll be setting behind those tower blocks, sometime in a few weeks. So 14th of May 20:38, some 7 minutes until the sunset, but much too much cloud, and all we can see is a red glow on the horizon, and that's it for today. Very cloudy at the moment and lots of wind. 20:02 on the 16th of May. Good time to go swimming. Now, over 40 minutes until the sunset this evening, but a nice reflection on the water. Now from this vantage point, it looks to be a cloud sunset this evening. 20:26, and the sun has just dipped behind that cloud. It's half an hour until sunset, but we're here in front of the square tower. On this, the Taurus Gemini cusp on the 20th of May 2023. Timestamp now 20:35, and here on the West South Sea Beach, lovely reflection on the water for our cusp today. 20:42. This looks to be a cloud sunset as the sun dips behind a cloud on the horizon. Now there's a 3% waxing crescent moon somewhere, but oh, I can't see that. Probably behind some clouds somewhere. So these are the last moments of the sunset as the sun disappears behind clouds and behind buildings. A building cloud sunset for our Taurus Gemini evening. 20:44, and still 10 minutes until the official sunset time on the 20th of May 2023. The sun is now almost completely obscured by cloud. On the horizon. 20:54, and this is the moment of sunset. So the sun should be now behind that building, that high-rise building in the distance, disappearing into the distance, marked by the red glow. And we're left with the glittering lights of a town called Ryde on the Isle of Wight. So a beautiful night as everybody is now packing up to leave. 20:08, and the nightlife along the waterfront. Timestamp now 4:42 on the 21st of May 2023, and as we can see, the tide is quite low, as we can see by the posts that are quite low. The water line is quite low at the moment, and there's that brick concrete foundation as well. Now, as can be seen with the naked eye, the solar disk is half risen beyond the landmass. It's actually fully risen, but half blocked by the landmass on the horizon. So the sun, as it makes an appearance for the 21st of May 2023, Gemini has risen. A very blowy day, lots of wind, bit of a gale. Temperature, well, about 10 degrees Celsius, but it feels a bit chillier because of the wind. So there we have it, the solar disk can now be seen in its entirety above the landmass. This is a wonderful time of the day to do some sun gazing. So the sun, seen with the naked eye, has cleared the landmass and rising slowly. Rising for a month, that's 30 days of Gemini, just until the 20th of June. Not forgetting that today is also the Gemini-Taurus cusp. So both those influences will be around for a couple of days more. Just until about the 24th. Now 5:19 and sunrise from the pontoon. As I say, blowing a gale. Unfortunately, there is no sign of the moon this morning. Oh, just lost my hat. Now 5:20, some 12 minutes after sunrise. Nice blue sky. Should be a nice day today. Gemini normally signifies the best weather in South Sea. Timestamp now 5:23. So this is 15 minutes after the sunrise, and time to have a look at some other aspects of Gemini, the third month of spring. So, could this be Gemini? And now just 25 minutes until the official sunset at 21:05 this evening. The final moments, the solar disk is just behind the corner of that building, that skyscraper on the horizon. And now just 15 minutes until the official sunset time for the 29th of May 2023. Now 14 minutes until the official sunset time, and only half the solar disk can be seen above that rooftop in the distance. Beautiful bank holiday Monday on the beach. As the sun sinks lower and lower. Okay, now the final moments. So that's one rosy beach sunset for Monday. Skyscraper sunset. So there we go, behind the skyscraper now. Now 20:55. 20:56, and the sun solar disk could now be seen above the next building along, as it sinks behind that one too. Timestamp now 21:05. If I'm not careful, I'll get my feet wet. With a waxing gibbous moon clocking in once again for the evening. 24 hours. Timestamp now 19:07. which means 2 hours until the official sunset, and it will be setting over there behind those buildings in the distance. Beautiful day, 20 degrees Celsius today, and it's Wednesday the 31st of May. And we are on the hill with a waxing gibbous moon high in the sky. 1911, and the sun is almost in the same spot that we saw the planet Jupiter last night, which descended from there all the way down here. So 1912 on the 31st of May, Wednesday, 2023.